children, today let's start with chapter number 2, MS Word 2016, using mail merge. So I will tell you about what is mail merge. So let's start with the chapter now. So mail merge refers to MS Word that allows to create large number of documents by merging the documents which contain repeated information with the documents containing different data for each document. Three main components are main document, data source, merge document. These are the three main components of mail merge, right? Now, what are the components? We have main document, data source and merge document. Main document में आपके text है, graphics हैं, वो सब included होंगे. When we talk about data source, यहाँ पे आपको information मिलेंगे जो different है from each individual document. मर्ज डॉक्यूमेंट फाइनल डॉक्यूमेंट जिसमें आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी फ्रॉम मेन डॉक्यूमेंट एज वेल एज डाटा सोर्स, मेन डॉक्यूमेंट में और डाटा सोर्स से. नाउ क्रिएटिंग अ मेल मर्ज डॉक्यूमेंट. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट अ मेल मर्ज डॉक्यूमेंट, तो फॉर दैट वी हैव फॉलोइंग स्टेप. क्रिएट अ न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट एंड टाइप लेटर, ठीक है, और विच हैज टू बी सेंड टू अ नंबर ऑफ पीपल, जिसको हम डिफरेंट नंबर ऑफ पीपल को शेयर करें. क्लिक ऑन द मेलिंग टैब. आप मेलिंग टैब पर क्लिक करोगे. फ्रॉम स्टार्ट मेल मर्ज ग्रुप you will choose step by step mail word wizard option. आप किसको चूज करोगे? mail merged wizard option को, right? The mail merge task page will appear and select the letter radio button under select document type section and select the next starting document. किस पे select करोगे आप? next starting document under step 1 to 6, right? So next is choose the setup type for your letter. Select the use of the document radio button under select starting document. Then where you will click to the next select recipient and under step 2 or 6. Now if you want to create a recipient list, so for creating a recipient list, we will follow some steps given. To create a recipient list, what you will do? You will type a new list, select radio button in the mail merge task pane, under select receipt selection, right? Under select say receipt section, and you will create option. New address list dialog box will appear. Then afterwards step 2, you will customize the column button. और आप क्या करोगे? रिमूव करोगे, ऐड करोगे फील्ड्स को. एंटर डाटा, गिवन फील्ड में डाटा को एंटर करोगे. एंटर 5 रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ योर फ्रेंड एंड देन यू विल क्लिक ओके. यू विल गेट अ सेव एड्रेस लिस्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स. आप कहाँ पे जाओगे? सेव एड्रेस लिस्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स पे. देन गिव द नेम, आप फाइल नेम देंगे और जो मेल रिसिप्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स है वो आपका स्क्रीन पे अपीयर हो जाए, राइट? यू वांट टू चेंज एनी डिटेल, अगर आप चाहते हैं कोई भी डिटेल को चेंज करना, देन यू विल गो टू edit button, right? Now there is an address to which the address does not have to sell. So what you will do, you will just under check it and you will click OK. Click on the next, write your letter wizard 3 to 6. Check the address block under write your letter section. You will get insert address block dialog box. And then afterward you will click OK. आप click करेंगे OK, तो like this your wizard will be set up, right? Now you will circle the, फिर आप क्या करोगे? प्रीव्यू करोगे आप लेटर को, ठीक है? You will click on the complete the usage. You can preview the letters under preview results and then you will click on the next record button in the preview result book, जिससे आप जो next record है डाटा सोर्स का, आप वहाँ पे जाएं. Now getting the printout of the letter. Now if you want to get the printout, what you will do? You will click on the finish and merge button in the finish group. Click on the print document option from the drop menu. You will click on the next complete the merge under the step 5 of 6. Then you will click on the print option present under the merge section. आप print पे जाओगे, जो आपका कहाँ located है? Under the merge section, right? Now the merge to printer dialog box on the screen will be shown and you will specify the required print setting and you will click OK. Selected records will get printed. जो आपको जितना भी आपने record select करा है वो आपका प्रिंट आउट है, राइट? वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस चैप्टर. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट विद एक्सरसाइज. लेट्स मूव टू द एक्सरसाइज नाउ. टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नाउ डैश इज अ फीचर व्हिच इज यूज्ड टू कंबाइन डाटा सोर्स, जो डाटा सोर्स को मेन डॉक्यूमेंट के साथ कंबाइन करता है. इट इज मेल मर्ज. डैश कंटेन्स मेलिंग फील्ड, दैट इज मर्ज फील्ड. नेक्स्ट इज डैश इंक्लूड्स. नाउ dash includes the text which has to be sent to all the recipient, that is your main document. Now dash is the data item, tells Microsoft where the data source information to be inserted in the main document. So it is your merge field. Now first is fill in the lines. First dash is hierarchy, helps us to move within the fields when typing data. तो आपकी कौन सी की होती है? Tab key. Dash marks indicates the record is selected to highlight. Dash contain mailing list, तो आपकी recipient list. The data is organized in the form of table along with the dash name, column names. The dash is a dialog box that shows the detail of the records that we have added. So this is your data source, right? Now, T for true and F for false, you have to write true, false. Let's do true, false. First is mail merge increases the time and efforts required, false. Merge field is the features which combine main document with recipient list, it's true. Data source has a content which is to be sent to all address, it's true. The two main documents that are required during mail merge are the main document and merge field, it's true. Merge field is the feature which is used for combining recipient list with main document, it's true. You can edit individual letter while performing mail merge feature, false. Now answer the following question. What is mail merge? Mail merge क्या है and how it is useful? Write the steps involved in the mail merge. क्या steps involved है mail merge में? How do you view the merge data? Write the steps to create recipient list. You have to write the steps so that you can create a recipient list. Write the steps to print the letter. Then you have to write some steps so that you can print the different letter, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.